Turning Target 362 asks us to apply proportions in solving a real-world application problem by using cross products. So if we look at 34, it took 7.2 minutes to upload 8 digital photographs. At this rate, how long will it take to upload 20? So if we set up a little proportion, 7.2 minutes, it's always good to label, for 8 pics. And then what's the other piece we have? 20 photographs. So if I've got it labeled, I know that pictures are on the bottom. So I'll go 20 pics here, and I'm going to solve for x. So cross multiplying and dividing, we take 20 times 7.2 and divide by 8. 20 times 7.2 divided by 8 gives us 18 minutes. And then the last problem in this section, 41, the ratio of the length of the soccer field to the width is 3 to 2. If you just write it as 3 to 2, you might forget which one's which. So I'm going to label, this is the ratio of length to width. So I'm going to put 3 length to 2 width. A scale drawing of a soccer field has a scale of 1 inch to 20 yards. The length of the field in the drawing is 6 inches. What is the actual width of the field? Okay, so we've got a couple different scales going on here. So in this drawing, 1 inch is 20 yards. And the length of the field in the drawing is 6 inches. So the drawing, this is the drawing, this is reality. 1 inch on the drawing is 20 yards in reality. So 6 inches in the drawing would be 6 times 20, would be 120 yards in reality. That's the length. Okay, keep that in mind. The length of the field is 120 yards. We're supposed to find the actual width of the field. So now we're going to go back to this proportion that we wrote at the very beginning, 3 length to 2 width. Well, I've got the length is 120 yards. Okay, I'm going to just label it length because that's what's on top. And I need to solve for the width. So we'll cross multiply and divide. We'll take 120 times 2, divide by 3. 240 divided by 3. 120 times 2 is 240. 240 divided by 3 is 80. So the width of the field is 80 yards.